Hi, it's Tara Tillman of Westchester Realty, and in this video, I want to share an interesting program for agents looking to stabilize their income. Now, if you are not familiar with NACA, I'll introduce you. And if you are familiar, you may not be aware of the in-house agent opportunity. Full disclosure, I have no affiliation with NACA, and my goal is to offer you ways to increase your income and grow your business. So let's get started. A NACA real estate agent is an independent contractor who provides residential real estate broker services as an exclusive buyer agent to NACA members. A NACA agent is an in-house agent who works solely with NACA members who receive NACA's comprehensive counseling and access to NACA's Best in America mortgage. The NACA agent has a thorough understanding of the NACA program and can facilitate NACA members through the home buying process. The mortgage program. The NACA mortgage allows NACA members to purchase their homes with no down payment, no closing cost, no fees, no requirements for a perfect credit score, and below market interest rates. NACA agents gain access to buyers at the initial home buyer workshop. Every home buyer is required to take the workshop as well as home ownership counseling to become NACA qualified or pre-approved. So members need agents they can trust to provide comprehensive real estate services. Agent responsibility, the basics. Help the member devise a housing search plan based on the member's needs. Educate the member on the market and their options. Guide and assist the member through the home buying process. Education and certifications. High school graduate or equivalency is required. A bachelor's degree is preferred. Real estate courses, highly preferred. You do have to be a licensed real estate agent. Real estate designations, professional certifications, and specialized knowledge is a plus. So experience and skills. The NACA agent must be an experienced licensed real estate broker or agent in any of the jurisdictions that you might want to provide service. You must have a vast working knowledge of the real estate market, including grant and nonprofit buyer assistance programs, price trends, neighborhood conditions and amenities. And candidates for the NACA agent position need to exhibit the following. Experience. So you need to have a minimum of 2 years experience as a buyer agent. You need experience with various property and transaction types. You need to understand how to explain an appraisal to a client and have closed a minimum of 10 residential sale transactions within the previous 12 months. Closed NACA transactions preferred. Provide the ability to manage a large number of clients in various stages from pre-qualified to closing, and experience with the MLS, real estate contract forms and software, and volunteer activities. If you have volunteered with NACA, that would be preferred. The ability to speak other languages other than English, maybe Spanish. And also, I want to talk about the fact that they have said that you need to have closed a minimum of 10 residential sales transactions within the previous 12 months. I'm sure that everyone realizes in this particular market coming right out of COVID that there might be some leniency to that particular requirement. So don't hesitate to apply even if you don't have that. Licenses. You must be a real estate agent or licensed broker, and you must be active in the area that you want to service NACA clients. Compensation. Now, the NACA agent is paid bi-weekly, a fixed amount per closed sale, where you are designated as the real estate agent for that particular sale. And the fixed payment is the same for all members and is not based on the house price or the amount received by NACA. Therefore, they are incentivizing the NACA agent to work equally as hard for all members regardless of their income or how much they are going to pay for the house. Now, the fixed payment amount is based on house prices in the area, and their salary range they are saying or quoting is between $60,000 to $80,000 depending on experience, skill, and other factors. So NACA services over 40 plus locations nationwide, and agents are able to join the network in these states. So let's take a look at the NACA website. So this is a quick overview of the NACA in-house agent program, and I've included a link below for more information on how you can apply. I hope this information is insightful and you're able to use this tool to supplement your income or increase your income. Please like, subscribe, and share the training with other agents who might benefit from the information. And until next time, I'm Tara Tillman of Westchester Realty. Thanks for watching.